What's up, guys? The network today has been crazy and it doesn't want us to work, but we're here to work. Work. Okay, so this is GBP USD on the 4 hours time frame. Yesterday, we finally had that move. Price actually bounced off, almost stopping us out, but did not. So we have it running, guys. So, yo, what's up, guys? For those who are joining for the very first time, you are welcome. So just tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Just drop a comment. Tell me telling me where you're streaming from. Let's keep it going. Before we start our analysis, let's make some noise. Just tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Oh, my brother Philip. Nice to have you, man. Nice to have you, man. It's a pleasure having you here. This is powerful. Your level of consistency shows how determined you are to actually become a trader. I really love that. I love that. After the live, I want us to have a little conversation. So you hit me up on WhatsApp, let's chat. Okay, so this is GBP USD, which is actually playing out exactly the way we anticipated. Price almost stopped us out, but it did not. So what happened? We rather saw a powerful move to the upside, which I think might want to continue all the way to a take profit level. Yes, this is a strong key level, which is acting as a resistance right now, which is very, very normal. Price cannot just get to a key level and break it randomly. You see, when price was at this key level, this is actually mid level. When price was at this key level, what happened? It consolidated a little. It found some difficulties just moving away. So it's the same thing that's happening here. You get. So looking at what price is doing, price might want to come back to our mid level, to our key level, sorry. So tell me, guys, where exactly are you joining from? Where are you streaming from? Where exactly are you streaming from? So this line has been broken, retested, so it's useless. Let's now focus more on this one. Okay. So for those joining for the very first time, show some love by subscribing, guys. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. Then tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Where are you streaming from? Okay, so we are currently on the 4 hours time frame on GBP USD. Okay, so you know we trade from key levels to key levels. So you see, we had this serious resistance level here, which I told you guys on our last week or during last weekend's market breakdown on Saturday, 9 a.m. I told you after these 5 touches, we're going to see a massive crash. you can just go back. I record or I save all my live streams. You can just go back. It is there. You'll see it. On Saturday, just check technical analysis or market breakdown. Saturday market breakdown or weekend. You will see exactly what I said. I told you guys price was going to crash. And what happened? We had this move, this crazy move to the downside, giving us approximately 300 pips. Now, what are we seeing on the charts? Price is now creating an internal uptrend, trying to fill to anywhere between 1.35 500 and 1.36 thousand or 1.86 thousand 500. Yes, anywhere within that zone. That's where price is targeting. From what I can see here, because if you go to the daily, you see since price gave us this change and once we have this good daily pullback, that's when we'll be looking for the massive sell. Okay, so price might pull back up all the way up to 1.86 thousand or even 1.86 thousand 500. That's why we are not just trading randomly. You see, we marked out our zones yesterday. Yes, this is what we marked out yesterday, saying, okay, if price can give us this pullback into this zone, then we'll be looking for an entry. So this is our yesterday's analysis. That's why you see all these days we have just been doing the same thing. We're just saying the same thing. And right now, on the 4 hours, you see that price is creating an internal trend, creating higher highs and higher lows. You see, it gave us this higher high, gave us this higher low, higher high, and it's about to give us a new higher low. Okay, which can be given an entry. But most of you already know we have a trade running. You see the trade, right? This is a trade setup we had since on Tuesday, I think. Yes, on Tuesday. And price almost stopped us out. Price has been playing. But it is still running. So we took it off from this trend line. You see, price actually break through our trend line, came back, gave us a retest, and we had a cup and handle pattern, which was so sweet. And we actually had a 1:3 already, but price is still pulling back. What we're targeting here is a 1:5.119 or 1.52, 1:5.2, sorry. And now price is giving us a new trend here. So for my students in the academy, I believe you've already seen this, because this is what is currently happening. If you're not seeing it, it means you're not taking your chart time serious. It means you're focused more on just buying and selling randomly. So make sure you always do proper analysis so that you should be able to see every move that's happening. Stop buying and selling randomly. Stop following signals. You don't need signals. So normally for those who did not take the trade yesterday, the market gave you a confirmation, but you did not see. You see, we had this bullish engulfing on the 4 hours time frame, which is very, very powerful. Go down to 1 hour. You see, you had an engulfing candlestick on the 1 hour time frame, telling you the market is about to do something. But most of you did not have the time to check. You did not have the time to check. Some of you are just waiting for candlestick to close above key level, forgetting about all the other confluences. You need to take all your confluences serious, very, very seriously. Yes, you don't ignore any confluence. So here is it. There's a clean chart for us. I wasn't supposed to draw this level, but because price is pulling back, so I just drew it so that in case price pulls back, you should actually know what you're seeing. Shouldn't be guessing. Okay, because these are the two main levels we are trading within. Let me go up to the 4 hours so you can see exactly what I mean. So for those joining me for the very first time, tell me in the comment section, where are you streaming from? Even if it's not your first time, just say in the comment section, say hi, say something in the comment section. Let me know where you're streaming from. So these are the two main levels we are trading from, and this is our mid level. 1.34500 is our mid level. 1.36000 is our main key level at the top. 1.83000 is the main key level at the bottom. So those are the main key levels we are trading from this season. Okay, so it's not like we decide, price actually presents. Okay, if you notice, this is where we've had the highest move for some time now, right? So that's why we have to value this zone. So normally we're even supposed to take it all the way up to 1.6500, but I rather prefer to respect 1.6000 flat, because at least for my fair value gap traders, you see it falls directly on the fair value gap on the 4 hours. That's why if you see here, this is where our entry is on 1.6 thousand flat, because we are hoping that price might want to fill this zone. Price might want to fill this zone. So I don't have any pressure, zero pressure. I just have to be patient. Wait. All these little moves, I don't really care about. This is the main move I'm looking at. Okay. And this move is going to give us approximately 400 pips. Okay. It's going to give us approximately 400 pips. That's why I've always loved swing trading. So guys, for those joining us for the very first time, I go by the name FelloF, and this is what we do always. We break down the charts every morning. So if you think you want to take your Forex journey serious, here is the best channel for you. This is the best channel because we have beginner lessons. We have everything that you need to find profitability in the Forex market. So show some love by subscribing to the channel. That's not just love, that's actually preparing yourself for what's here for you. Okay, because you come here, you see chart breakdown, and you see a lot of things that will change your trading journey, will help you a lot to build confidence, to understand the market more, to know how to analyze stuff like that. So tell me in the comment section, guys. I don't know. I don't know if you guys are sending comments and they are not coming. So just anybody should just drop a comment. Let me know if you guys are actually following up. Just drop any comments, drop anything in the comment section. Let me know if you guys are following up. And looking at what's happening in the market, we might be having an entry today. Might be having another buy entry soon. So I'm waiting. Anybody should just drop a comment, drop anything to let me know you guys are following up, please. Because there are times when people drop comments, but I don't see. I don't know. Nobody is saying anything. I said, let someone drop a comment to let me know you guys are following up. I don't know if you guys have been dropping comments and I'm not seeing or what. And also tell me, which pair would you want us to break down? Mhm, mhm. We're currently looking at GBP USD. If you have a pair you want us to break down for you, you're welcome, guys. So this is GBP USD, and we are looking forward to see if it can give us a buy confirmation, though we already have a buy running on GBP USD since Tuesday. So for those joining us for the very first time, you're welcome. Tell me exactly where you're streaming from. Where are you joining us from? Tell me in the comment section, guys. And is there any pair you want us to analyze for you? Just drop it in the comment section. Let's do it for you. So this is a trade we took. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Thanks for joining. You are welcome. So if you're new, Do not forget to show some love by subscribing. Tell me in the comment section what other pairs you want us to analyze. And if you are sending me messages like you've been commenting and I'm not seeing, because I've not seen any comments for some time now, just write this number on WhatsApp, okay? Just write this number on WhatsApp and tell me exactly what you're saying in the comments. I don't know what's going on, but comments are not coming in. I don't know if you guys are not commenting or there is an issue, because there are times when you guys drop comments and I don't see. Please just say something in the comment section and let's confirm. Mr. Frederick, good morning. Yeah, we just did GBP USD, and let me see. My network has been messy. Let me just try to reconnect. Frederick, can you hear me? Okay, it's connected. Frederick, can you hear me? All right. So you said we should look at GUSD. All right. So today, my people from Australia and my people from Cameroon are dominating the live stream. Okay. So we have Cameroon and Australia dominating at today's live stream. Okay. So this is exactly what we are looking at. Normally, like I said, this level um, excuse me. So these are the major levels we have on this pair right now, right? 1.36 thousand, 1.33 thousand. Then the mid level is 1.34,500. So what are we expecting? Normally, we did analysis on this pair yesterday, and we saw that price was going to pull all the way up to somewhere around 1.86 thousand. So that's what we are expecting. And we already have our markings. But now price is creating structure so that you can be part of this trend. You see, we had a higher high, price pulled back, gave us a high which is higher than this one, though it did not close above, but at least it closed a little above the candlesticks that were here, creating a higher high. So if you go down to the lower time frame, you realize it was actually a higher high. You see, this was a clear higher high. So price might want to tap on this trend line. So we actually had to mark 1.84 thousand, hoping that, okay, if price decides to tap on the key level, that's where those who want scaling can be scaling in. You remember we took a trade yesterday on Tuesday, and we already took our 1:3, and we are looking forward to have a scaling somewhere around here if price decides to pull back down. But if not, then we are done. We keep it going. So as of now, there is nothing we can do on GBP USD. We just have to be patient and see where price leads us. So at this point, we let the spirit lead. So this is the golden zone I was talking about, that for us to consider that we have to start selling, price has to fill this golden zone, tap into this golden zone, this green line, and the ash box is somewhere around 1.36,500. So guys, subscribe for those who are joining us for the very first time. Subscribe. Those who've been watching but are not subscribed, subscribe. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going. I'm here for you guys. Show some love. We're actually 3 minutes to the end of a live stream. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Drop your questions in the comment section. So we're 2 minutes to the end of our live stream. If you have any questions, drop your questions in the comment section. Let's keep it going, guys. Let's keep it going.